Former military members joined forces today to reveal explosive claims linked to the flood control scandal. They allege billions of pesos in cash were delivered to President Bongbong Marcos's homes in Ilocos Norte. Abante's Charmaine Abong is on the line for the details. Charmaine, what can you tell us?
My 18 former members of the military and security personnel allegedly linked to former Ako Bicol Party List Representative Zaldico faced the media to disclose claims of large-scale cash deliveries to the residence of President Bongbong Marcos in Ilocos Norte from 2022 to 2025. According to their statement, the total amount delivered allegedly reached 805 billion pesos, usually packed in suitcases and paper bags. In one alleged operation, as many as 52 suitcases were reportedly transported via airplane and helicopter to the homes of certain politicians and even media operators. The group also affirmed the earlier revelations of retired Marine Master Sergeant Orly Regala Guteza, who testified before the Senate in September 2025 and accused himself of delivering millions of pesos in cash to high-ranking officials, including former House Speaker Martin Romualdez. According to Attorney Levy Baligod, the former soldiers only recently found the courage to come forward due to alleged threats to their safety. The affidavit of the former military personnel also states that they plan to submit documents to the Office of the Ombudsman to support their allegations. Meanwhile, the personalities mentioned have yet to issue any statements regarding the accusation. Mai.
Thank you, Charmaine Abong of Abante reporting.